We're here today on the Edinburgh North Bridge refurbishment project, which is a vital north-south link in the city. The North Bridge is a Category A designated structure and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Through the SCAPE framework, we've been working with the Council through a feasibility, a pre-construction and now into the construction phase. Our scope of works include structural steelwork repairs, concrete deck repairs which have extended into a partial deck replacement. We're grip blasting and painting the entire bridge, and we're also repairing the decorative cast iron facade.
Working with Balfour Beatty has been a very positive experience. As you can tell, a 125-year-old bridge, very difficult. We have been collaborative and we have had lots of discussions along the way, and we've both helped each other to see this project through.
The main challenge is just the physical location of the bridge, the fact that it's in the city centre of Edinburgh. It links the old and new town together whilst being over Edinburgh Waverley train station, which again is still fully operational with trains and passengers. It's then adjacent to Market Street, which also runs underneath. And then on top of the bridge itself, we physically had to phase the works in order to keep traffic operational and allow pedestrians to cross it whilst we're doing the works.
One of the initiatives that we delivered through the North Bridge Legacy Arts programme was to produce 2 children's books. So they were local school pupils that wrote individual short stories that were inspired by the bridge. So that's a printed legacy that will be there forever, inspiring the next generation to follow a career in construction.
We've created work experience opportunities for pupils and for students, that's at schools and in universities. We've made a commitment to working with the developing young workforce in Edinburgh to offer opportunities for adapted work experience for children with behavioural and additional support needs. And that's created a whole new opportunity about the jobs that we can support within our business and open up the pool of talent wider.
So we have used various amounts of innovative digital technology on the site so far. We've used laser scanning drones to access areas that we maybe weren't able to access by traditional means and get physical measurements. Perhaps one of the most innovative ones we've used is embedded concrete digital sensors, where we installed some sensors in the new concrete which allowed us to monitor in real time the strength of that concrete and the curing of that concrete.
First time that this bridge has had major structural change in over 85 years. There's lots of positives going to come out of this project once it's completed and the bridge is fully opened. It's going to be a beautiful structure. It's been covered up for a few years now, and I think it'll be great to see it in its majesty.